In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Meet in Gmail. If you prefer a cleaner inbox and don't use Google Meet inside Gmail, hiding it is a quick way to reduce distractions while keeping all your email tools front and center. And don't worry, this doesn't delete anything. You're simply hiding the Meet panel in Gmail. You can still use Google Meet separately whenever you need. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. This process is designed for the desktop or web version of Gmail, since that's where the sidebar panel appears. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. In the Quick Settings panel, you'll see various layout options, but for what we need, choose the link that says See All Settings. This opens the full settings page with tabs across the top, giving you access to every Gmail preference in one place. Next, click the tab labeled Chat and Meet. This is where Gmail groups together settings related to Google Chat and Google Meet. In the Meet section on this page, you'll find two options, one to show the Meet section in the main menu and one to hide it. Select Hide the Meet section in the main menu. This tells Gmail to remove the Meet panel, the part that usually shows Start a Meeting and Join a Meeting, from the left sidebar. After making that selection, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will briefly reload to apply your new setting. When your inbox comes back, look at the left sidebar. The Meet section will be gone, leaving more space for your labels and folders. Your email remains exactly the same. You've just removed a panel you don't use. It's important to note that disabling Meet here only hides the interface inside Gmail. Your Google Meet account and any scheduled meetings are unaffected. If you want to join or start meetings in the future, you can still go directly to meet.google.com or use links from your calendar invites. If you change your mind later, you can bring Meet back just as easily. Return to Settings. Open See All Settings, go to Chat and Meet, switch the option back to show the Meet section, and save. If you don't see the Chat and Meet tab or the Meet option, your organization's administrator may control that setting. That's it. A simple tweak for a tidier Gmail experience without losing access to Google Meet when you need it.